Hey viewers, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well with the grace of Almighty Allah. May Allah's blessing upon all of you, who is the King of Kings, who is the Lord of Lords. Guys, I'm super excited to share homemade cappuccino. So no need of curry, no need of mushy. So let's get started. Viewers, here I'm adding around 5 teaspoon instant coffee. So here I'm adding 2 teaspoon sugar. You can add sugar according to your taste. So we will mix it well. So guys, here I'm adding few drops of water. Let's beat the coffee with the help of spoon. So no need of machine, no need of cream. You can make cappuccino at home whenever you want. So here we will add water again. Guys, remember one thing, you must add warm water. Guys, beat the coffee until its color change. Guys, have a look, color has changed. This recipe is for those who would like to try our restaurant style at home without any fancy item, with ease and yet get the same taste. So guys, here I took a beautiful serving cup. Here I'm adding milk. Guys, remember one thing, must add up boiling hot milk for foamy coffee. So guys, Alhamdulillah, mashallah, cappuccino is ready now. Do try this and share results with me in comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to share this recipe link with your friends and family. Guys, like this video, comment on this video, share this video. Homemade is the best. Thank you.